Well, I'm going to ask you again now that you've won the national championships back to back, you're defending champion.
Yeah.
Clearly, the next big thing, tennis wise, is going to be Jamaica versus Uruguay in February, early February. Um, how are you feeling? Last time you said that, you kind of felt like good about how you were playing, how you played at the Liguanea Club. I know you come here one more convincingly. I mean, clearly that's you're feeling much better.
Yeah, no, I am feeling actually after today. I'm feeling really good. I played surprised myself a little bit. I played pretty solid, consistent. Yeah, I think I could. Not think. I want to play, and I'm gonna try and to finish for the next month and make sure I'm in as good shape as possible. I mean, even if it's just one match, whatever I can do to help. I'm definitely.
Are you familiar with the Uruguay team or any of the players?
Yes, I know the names. I haven't seen them play. I don't know their current rankings and stuff like that. I haven't really researched them. But there's a few I recognize the names. Definitely good players. But at the end of the day, if I'm fit, feeling good, playing good, I like my chances.
Hmm. Especially at home, right?
Always, especially at home with the crowd. Wherever we have that support, it's. I mean, I always. It makes me feel better.